Who you are? No. Sunny 12 tonight. I'm coming for ya. I need is the beauty and the beat. Alright, we're looking for the downside here. For at least another retouch. 5. Looks like
Daddy?
it's trying to
Daddy?
break off.
Is that you?
But we'll see.
The voice. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Who you are? Money rock. I like a steady flow tonight. So we're in a short right now. My profit looks different because I had to upgrade my 4th eval to funded. I need...
Daddy, chill.
Cowboy!
Punchbowl's Jake Sherman says he's told that the Trump administration is planning to have a statement soon, today, on the weaponization fund, and the statement will be aimed at restarting the reconciliation process on the Hill.
Running around. We'll see if I time this perfectly. I need... One minute is sideways. See, why do they stay here? Bonnie Rock.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? I'm John. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
You're mine.
Do
Axios now reporting that Trump plans to drop the weaponization fund following that Punchbowl reporter comment there that Trump will be making a statement on that. Axios reporting that Trump plans to drop the weaponization fund.
What does that mean? I'm thinking it comes down to this other bully block here on the 15. The 1 and 5 is too choppy to trade right now.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Sorry, Cowboy, I'm stuck in a long. 654 my entry. Yikes. 619s. I'm aiming for 582s. It could go way lower. Just be careful.
Frizz, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Are you in like heavy? Guys, tap that screen. Let me get like 20 hearts at least. Honestly, we can go way down. It's gonna get weird. I might hold one in like all the way to the low here. 533s. 1K stop loss? I hope that's an eval. Ahmed, you're my mentor? Yeah, he's mine too. You gonna full port? I'm shorting. I think it gets 578s. If not, I think it wants 532s eventually. My entry is
OpenAI's Altman says I am
543.
not focused on IPO timing after Anthropic filed. Says OpenAI will IPO when it makes sense for the company. This is Altman speaking to CNBC.
If my my P&L looks different because I funded my last one into a I'm sorry. I passed my last eval to make my fourth funded. Keisha? Keisha! What's up, Moors? This guy. Keisha. Yeah, the five deal thing is pretty good. What's up, Stevie? Two minis? They said ban the Israel guy. Ooh. Oh, Tom? Don't save that. Don't save that. Drop it like it's hot.
Brent crude futures settle at $94.98 a barrel, which is up $3.86 or 4.24%.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real
So, first target, 612s, then 578s, and then we'll try to see if it goes to 533s. What prop are you using, Cowboy? She shallows. The 5 Apex. Yeah, it depends on like what you're used to though. Like I've been kind of comfortable with the end of day drawdown lately. But if you can get used to the live trailing drawdown, it's a score for sure. It's like $19. $20, whatever it is. It's pretty cheap. They should definitely keep it $20 for the live trailing drawdown. Seashells. Activation's too much though. What is it, $69? For the live trailing drawdown. I think the end of day is like, if they can bring end of day activation, well, I don't know, because it was $85. That's really not that bad. Wait, you're confusing me. I'm trying to think which one you're talking about. So you got the end of day trail. The 50K is, if you don't want to get the activation, it's $45, which a tad bit pricey, but it's whatever. And what's the activation? The 80? Now, if you get no activation, it's almost the same price as Lucid. But Lucid is a little bit better only because you only need 150, not the 250. But Apex is the only one where you're getting 120K a month. Let's see. I bought one the other day. I could have sworn it was $85. I guess I'm wrong. They need to make that a little bit less. They need to take $20 off of that. But pretty sure the trail, the intraday trail, is pretty damn cheap. It's $24. But if you get the 5-pack, it's $95. Yeah, you can make 120K a month though, for sure. Lazy. Where's the intraday trail? Trying to hold on for dear life here at the end of this cloud. I'm in a short right now. It could pop up. It's all right if it does.
Says Hezbollah refused a partial truce offer to
say money
spare
can't buy
Beirut
happiness.
from
Look at
Israeli
the fucking
strikes.
smile on
If
my
Hezbollah
Whoa.
stopped attacks on North
face. Say
Israel.
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Elizabeth, paying my
Say
rent.
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my
Paying
face.
my rent.
Is that
Say
you?
money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
I can now afford my electricity bill. Nah, thank you, Elizabeth. Appreciate it. Oh, I didn't mean to do this. Let's go, girl. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Why short? Because it broke the high. And if you go to the 15-minute, it wicked up. You got a hammer here, and then it breaks down to the downside. Most likely, we're gonna touch this order block down here. I shorted from optimal is 650s. You probably should have shorted at. I'm in at 643.
Daddy?
That's my
Is that
queen,
you?
Lizzie,
Is that
bro.
you? Daddy?
NYC,
Is that you?
welcome to the
Is that
cell,
you?
Daddy. Moetti, welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
We mean that's my queen, Lizzie. Oh, because she donated? Gave me a gift? There we go. Now we got pumped up, our viewers. Let's see. We're looking for... I mean, we're in the short now. I'm trying to see if it breaks this. I really would not like if it starts breaking 655. That's where my stop is. You got an echo on... Oh, maybe it's my microphone. Let me see if I can fix it. There was an update. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, maybe that's what it is.
Daddy? Is that you?
Hello? Let me, I gotta figure out how to do it. It's gotta be a little better. Let's see. if I'm streaming live, what should my noise gate be so they don't hear music through my mic?
Setting your noise gate effectively is all about finding the sweet spot for your microphone's threshold. To prevent your viewers from hearing music playing in the background, you'll want to set the threshold above the volume level of that music, but below the level of your own speaking.
But like, what should I do? Threshold.
Increasing the threshold
Wait!
while testing your
Listen to me!
until the music cuts out completely without clipping your speech. Are you using any specific streaming software like OBS or something else?
Yes, I'm using. Shoot. Elgato Wave.
It takes courage to share something. So awesome. Whenever you're
It said that it thought I said, "Oh God, I'm gay." What the heck? All right, I got out my first one, guys. We gotta re-ask this thing. Route 1. I don't know. I gotta Ooh, that was a pretty big bounce there on the 1. Let's see if it rejects at 635s. TP, I'm looking for first one 579s and then 533s.
According to a CAN news reporter, the Office of the President of Lebanon, Aoun, announces that the Lebanese authorities have received Hezbollah's consent to the American proposal for a mutual ceasefire.
I gotta go on TikTok to see you guys. Hello. Yeah. It's not echoing. If it's echoing, it's gonna be you. Hello. Hello. Guys, let me get like 30 more likes just to get to the 1,000. Yeah. Hello. Bipolar. Oh man. What's up? Alright, so we got out 1. I really want to see this thing fall here. It's still holding this cloud like crazy. Antonio. Mr. Bastard, I gotta please all, you know? You gotta adapt to music. can't tell me nothing. What's up? What's up, Antonio? Martin? I'm still in my short, yeah.
Daddy, chill.
I know what this guy wants. I know what this guy wants. I'm in a short. Does this make you happy? I'm on a 15-minute chart right now. The 1 and 5 are very choppy, so I was trying to see if we can get a short around here. Whoa, Black Betty! What? Thank you for the share. I appreciate you. If you guys are just tuning in, my P&L looks different because I had to upgrade one of my evals to a funded. Well, now I got 4 funded. Woo! Dude, this candle was insane. Thank you, Martin.
Canadian government's in charge of USMCA file says that he'll meet U.S. Trade Representative Gray in the U.S. on Tuesday.
What was that, 400 points all the way up? This needs to pull back. Probably even more than what I'm thinking, but... Ooh, yeah. If this,
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
we could do a way bigger swing, too. Oh, I pay for, Financial Juice. Yeah, he helps out a lot. It's fast. It's like maybe like 5 seconds behind of like real time.
Just getting wider notation now. Lebanese presidency citing Lebanese embassy in U.S. says Hezbollah agreed to use a proposal mutual cessation of attacks that would be expanded to all Lebanese territory. Just a reminder we had from a Cannes News reporter saying the office of the President of Lebanon announced that the Lebanese authorities have received Hezbollah's consent to use a proposal for a mutual ceasefire.
Might go up. Careful. You don't have to turn on the Yeah, I'm not liking that news there. Trying to decipher it. What do you call a bear with no teeth? I don't know what. A gummy bear? Cowboy's gonna say something wild, though. He's gonna say like a crackhead. But the female version. There's no way that's it, Cowboy. Alright, this actually might go up, guys, so be careful. That might be the it. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close it. We just swung below this. We do have a buy here. I'm thinking it goes up. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm going in. Wait, do I want to go in? I want to go in. I don't know if I want to go in here, though. I'm thinking. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Wait, you got tapped out, right? Just like a little bit? It could still go down, though. That's my problem. Is that this can easily come down way further. I know. Oh, damn. It only went 5 points lower than when you got out? Sucks. Sorry, man. I think this blasts up, though. Just a small town girl. Sing it. Sing it, Martin. You went in too heavy. You're going in like a madman. So swipe. When does this close? In an hour. That ain't good. That doesn't help us. 15 swipe. Yeah, I don't know how happy I am on this move. I think I jumped the gun here a little bit.
According to a message from Commander Kaini from Yemen about the Bab al-Mandeb and the new Israeli mischief, is what they say. They say in a statement that US-backed Israeli actions in Lebanon, Gaza will strengthen resistance Axis resolve. Axis will expand support for Lebanon and Gaza fronts. Other fronts may be activated, and Bab al-Mandeb traffic could be in line with Strait of Hormuz conditions.
What do you guys think? I'm up and down on this one. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's from Iranian Commander Khani speaking about the Bab al-Mandeb.
feel like it's gonna drop. What was my reasoning for getting along here? It finally poked above the 15 minutes. I mean, this whole candle engulfed the prior. That's what's messing me up. That's what's messing me up. Oh, God, a cowboy. I hope you only used one eval and not all 5. I'm trying to figure out what I wanted to hear. I'm seeing both. Both ways. Space cowboy. I can't help to think this is gonna drop. This engulfing candle fucked me here. People talk about me. Doing you wrong. Dude, this thing is holding, but if it breaks, it's gonna be really bad. But it's still holding. Cutest thing that I ever did see. He just wanna shake your tree. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? I'm not sure. I really was targeting like
Daddy?
5
Daddy, is that you?
70s.
Is that you?
Bond 11. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Value Sensei. Value Sensei!
Okay. I'm a midnight toker. Last day we had a red day? Who, me? Oh, when's the last day we had a red day? Oh, shit, I don't even know, dude. That's what I'm saying. Well, this day was red, I think. Yeah, that day was red. But it was barely red, like 10 points. And then, so it's been 1, 2, 3, 4. I would even count this. 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row. You know the news is gonna, pile drive this to the ground. As soon as we're gonna get good news and it's gonna fall. And I don't know. I'm trying to think what to do here. Probably should have stuck to my original plan. Because we're starting to fall here. Alright, I think I'm going to short it. If we do get chopped out of this, then we're gonna have to sit for a minute because it's a little hard to read. Stick to my original plan, I'm assuming. $5.85s. I think it goes way lower, but honestly, I'm not sure. I really think it goes like 537s, but no, I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. I'm all over the place. We're going to stick to our 586. 586. I'm sticking to that one. This thing went real sideways. Carry me home. There you go. Come on. I think I just need to stick to my original plan. It was going to toy around in between. It's definitely going to be buy the rumor and sell the news. All right. Knock, knock, cowboy. Knock, knock, cowboy. To me in the dark. What does this want to do? Oh, I'm supposed to say who's there. That's right. Who's there? I'm saying who's there to you. Mine is sister. Sisters. You're supposed to say sister who? And I was gonna say your sister's dress. Oh, nothing. Just cowboy on YT. He said, I hope it's my sister. Sister who? Cowboy sister. There you go. Ah, you crack me up. You make me giggle, Mr. Cowboy. Dude, look at these inside bars. Now, inside candles, usually with the side that it breaks out in, usually will continue. So hopefully it's to the downside. It was a good one. I agree. Come on, fall, baby. Come on. Show the people what I can do. This thing is top. It feels like it's finally like breaking. It's letting go. Like, you know, okay, we tried. We just can't hold it. We're going to let go now. Entertain us. I feel love now. Entertain us. Nah. No, females for you, cowboy over here. There you go. Let's get this thing going, baby. This thing can really start popping down to like 560s. Just, we'll have to see. I guess it was a good call to close, though. I know I took a loss on it, but I think I jumped the gun just a tiny bit. Tiny bit. Hello, 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 hello. I'm in 4 micros shorts, but with 4 live funded accounts. Not live, 4 funded accounts. Stupid and contagious.
Seeing an I-24 news reporter here on X, quoting Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, says, "I spoke this evening with Trump and told him that if Hezbollah does not cease attacks our cities and our citizens, Israel will strike terror targets in Beirut. This is our firm position. At the same time, the IDF will continue to operate as planned in southern Lebanon."
Let's go, baby. Really want to bring this down. Let's make it 1. So we'll get out 3 here, and then I really want to see what could happen. This candle's fucking huge, dude. Huge. Entertain us. I feel stupid and contagious. I'm holding to 590, 585 as my first target, and then we got 573, and then I want to hold it to 500. So I'll get out 3, and then we'll see if we can get to 500. You know, it's a big drop, but I'm not sure if that one will hit. I think this other one will. Thunder. There you go, daddy. There you go. Profit's so high you can't even fit it on the thing. Melting. Alright, I got 1 left. No, I'm sorry, I got 2 left. I'm sorry. It's got to drop here, though. If it stops here, then I might get out. ICP is going up. What's ICP? You see me pee? You watching me pee? Okay, Cowboy. You told me to copy you, though. VWAP's pretty far down. This is the value high, though. Thunder State. Really need to break through here. Pick on her. Which one? Alright, I think I might take... I don't know if I should be, I should man up or what? What do you guys think? Alright, we'll get out one. How about that? We'll get out one, and now I don't really give a shit. Right? We'll put it at break even. So I only have one left. One left. Okay, this side's in my way. If I could switch the writing on this side, I would be okay. There's nowhere for me to put this thing. Great song. All right, we got 10 minutes into MOC. 10 minutes to MOC. If you guys aren't following, hit that motherfucking follow button. Come on, fall, daddy.
You're mine.
So, I don't want to jinx myself, but add 1,000 to this because that's what I've already done today. Oh, he wants me to click on ICP. Let's see. It's Catalan. Let's see. This is a request from Cowboy. No, it's like memes.
CME Group announces launch of 24/7 cryptocurrency futures and options trading.
Whoa, what's that? You wish I didn't. I was born like this, man. Why? How do you think I feel? I literally came out scratching my mom's vagina with this. Like, what do you want me to do? This isn't a devil. This is a bully bear's mask. My father was a bull. My mom was a bear. Nothing to do with devil. Wow. It really isn't. It's really not meant anything devilish. I believe in God. It's literally a bull. It's a bull and a bear mask together. But you can believe what you want. Bully, have you ever pounded? Wow. Maybe once or twice, Cowboy. I almost read your comment out loud. Does look like it's rejecting, right? It's just over that value high. Looks really good. That bullet, that guy's going in. What? Catalan, what's ICP? I want to know. Let's go revenge trade my way back. What do you mean, back up or down? I think it still goes down. You got about 4 minutes until MOC. Again, this blue line here is the value high. Like, think of like a volume profile, right? This is like where it's overbought. The market thinks this is overbought, and it's still bouncing off of it a little bit. So let's see. I was in drawdown. Did I help at all to get you back? Now, MOC could be tricky, so... Do. Yeah, psychology is so hard to deal with. It's one of the hardest things to learn. You almost gotta become numb. How long did it take me? See, my journey is a little bit different. I started like 15 years ago. When I started, I'm very big on learning something a lot before I even jump into it. So I started with like, I think I put in like 7 Gs. And I traded support and resistance on Forex daily chart. Every day, 4 p.m., I'd go to the chart, check it out, and then I put an order in if it had a hammer and it was bouncing off. I ended up like tripling, quadrupling my money that way. I don't know why I stopped, because I probably would have been like a fucking quadrillionaire by now. I think I got bored. And then we went to stocks. We made pretty good money on stocks for sure when Trump's first term. Oh my god, penny stocks was crazy. And then because Forex kind of like died down.
1 minute remaining.
Do I still
for the
struggle with
market on close
psychology?
imbalance.
Hell yeah. Ask anybody here that watches me. Sometimes I lose my shit, dude. I just like, I can't control my emotions. So I actually so like sometimes I go on like weird streaks. When the market's hot, I'll make like 20K a day back in the day. Then I was losing it, and I'm like, oh, I gotta size down. So I sized down, and then I went back to like making 10K a day, and then losing it in a day. So I had to size down again. So, and I was screaming. You know it's real money when I'm screaming. So, most of the time, what I teach is if you're having difficulty
10
with it,
seconds.
you're probably sizing too high. All right, we got
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell
Daddy?
side 1.9
Daddy, is
billion.
that you?
Nasdaq
Is that
100
you?
sell side 975 million. Dow 30 sell
Almost
side
$1 billion each way.
671 million. Mag 7 sell side 676 million.
Oh, thanks, bro. Hold on one sec. I got a phone call.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Daddy, chill.
Daddy? Didn't realize my mic was off. Damn it. 350 Algo happened 6 minutes ago. They took out almost 2 billion out of SP 500 and a billion out of the Nasdaq. I'm a midnight toker. Come on down. The price is right, baby. Wow. Cutest thing I ever did see. Just wanna shake your tree. Wow, this thing is tumbling, dude. Very glad I closed that one long there that I slipped up, got in too quick. So we were in a short, and then I'm like, I think this might go long, and then I was like, nah, this is short, and we went right back to short. All right, we're at that spot right now. We got 1 minute and 43 seconds left, so let's see. All right, we're literally at that midline. I still feel like we need to come down more.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
Attila, welcome to the saddle, Daddy.
Let's go. Dump City. What days am I off this week? I'm off Monday and Tuesday, but I can stream Wednesday morning too. I work at night now, so I'll be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be on every day, but for morning wise.
Daddy,
Tuesday,
is that
Wednesday.
you? Is that you? On Wah. Welcome to the saddle, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
All right, it's after 4, man. This thing is still going. So they're gonna be doing 24/7 cryptocurrency futures and options. Huh. There you go, Antonio. They're gonna have futures for you, man. 24/7. 24/7. Thanks for the share.
Video shares closed up 6.3%, adding $319 billion to the market
Isaiah.
cap.
Let's do it. All right, it's starting to reject here a tiny bit.
You're behind the mark.
A tiny bit.
Daddy, chill.
According to IRGC Navy, cited by Tasnim, they say the Navy targeted the ship MSC Siriska, owned by American Israeli enemy.
They're gonna dump or what? Making a decision. I got 10 minutes. Come on, what are you gonna do, bro? It does, right? Every time, user. I know it's crazy. But I agree. I remember that. It used to mess me up a lot, actually. Ugh. Yeah, I used to like just stay away after like 350, 355.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Twisted Rami. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I'm so hungry. I am after this. Whoa. Whoa. Really need my water. Bro, this thing just keeps dumping. This area here might be... Hold on. Bringing this down. 577s is now my stop. Whoa, halfway there. Yeah, I think once the Iran, like, once we get like a peace deal, I think this market's gonna tank, dude. I know it would feel like the opposite, but usually it's buy the rumor, sell the news. There hasn't been any good news, and it just keeps going up. So I'm assuming that they're banking on a good news, so they're just gonna keep going it because it's a safe bet, and then dump once it comes out. Maverick, I have determined I cannot trade. M&Q chart has looked like garbage to me every day for the last 2 months. It has been pretty bad. This morning it got pretty bad. Like around here. Where was it bad? It was pretty bad around here. From 10 to 11:30 was bad. And then I got a buy signal here. And we ripped it up. We made a lot right there. So it wasn't very easy, Maverick. It hasn't been easy either, in my opinion. We're going to keep grinding this down a little bit here. We're at stops at 569s now. We are on a bully block here. So if it breaks above this, yeah, I'm still in a trade. Looking for the bottom here. I've been in a trade since the top up here. And we're kind of just grinding it out. See if it keeps going. What's my bias? I have no bias right now. All the news can make it go any different way. If we're talking about bias, like what's my strategy? We do reversals and continuations too, so we do both. Lower high, bang. Make sure you guys hit that follow button. And the two prop firms that I use is Apex and Lucid. Lucid, I believe, has first two you get 50% off. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. The more you guys use my code, the more I give back to the community. I don't make any money off it. Basically, all the stuff I make, I give it back to you guys when it comes.
Finish off the session with the US market wrap. US stocks climbed to fresh all-time highs as investors embraced signs of progress in the US around negotiations and renewed enthusiasm surrounding artificial intelligence. The S&P 500 rose towards 7,600, extending its rally with an 8th consecutive gain, its longest winning streak since May 2025. Technology stocks led the advance as AI-related optimism returned to the forefront of the market. US crude oil paired earlier gains and settled near $92 a barrel after Trump said talks with Iran are moving forward quickly and added that Israel and Hezbollah had agreed to halt attacks against one another. Markets continue to swing on geopolitical headlines as developments in the Middle East remained fluid, and recent violence in Lebanon had threatened to derail efforts to extend the ceasefire framework between Washington and Tehran, while Iran earlier signaled it would suspend negotiations in protest of Israel's military actions. Despite the ongoing uncertainty, investors focus on the possibility of a diplomatic path forward, helping support risk appetite and push equities to new record levels.
Could get stopped out. My stop's at 570. My trailing stop loss. You've been struck by a smooth criminal. Wow, this thing is gonna keep going. Stop is gonna go a lot smaller now, 562s. But you're jealous. Yokayeni. It's been crazy. Hey, okay. I'm jealous, but you're okay. You okay? You okay, Annie? Dude, this thing is just still going. Let's do it. Let's do this. Thank you for sharing the live. Two minutes left on this. 2 minutes. Looks like a big day for Bully. Yeah, not too bad today. This is real cash here. I mean the funded. But I did make another 1,000 on top of this. So probably made like 5 G's today. How'd you didn't trade today, Maverick, or no? Got a minute left in this candle. I took a couple, but got shook out. Green. Hey, green is green, right? We always talk about this. Green is green, baby. Trust the process. It'll work. It'll work. Just a weird market right now. I would have been up a shit ton of money last night if my trade worked out. Last night, I took this trade here. I'm telling you, stopped me out by like 15, 20 points, and then it ended up going to where I called it. I called it last night in Discord. I think it was like 300 points. Bro, this thing is insane. This is pretty crazy, though. Alright, we're gonna move it even more. 57s. Oh, you mean 56. We could reverse here. I do have a bully block here. It's my style of order blocks. We came down. Is this an 88% pullback on a smaller swing? Bigger swing is way down here. Way down here. So it could do a little bounce pullback. So I don't want to get back any money. So if it pops me out of here, I don't really care. Bro, it's weird every day. Yeah. Doesn't pass evals, but it saves you money, right? And then eventually, when the markets become good again, you know, you just stick to your strategy. I'm telling you, green is green, bro. If you can stay green, you're ahead of the game. You're ahead of the game! Punching you in the mouth. Do do do.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Oh, let me try to figure out your name. Is 3GO. Is 3Go. Is there some kind of way I'm supposed to say it?
LS3GL, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Trump to visit Wisconsin on Friday.
Microchip gained 6%, sees jump in data center solutions revenue.
Oh, my shit's been muted on this thing. Damn it. I thought it was muted on here. It's muted on my my stream deck. No! I'm so sorry. So silly. Alright, well, that was a crazy move. Really not a bad day at all. Let me wrap this up. Daddy's hungry. Apex and Lucid are the two platforms that I use. If you want the latest and greatest discount, use code BULLY, all caps BULLY. In a day, I get to request some more accounts, so hopefully they give it to me. And Apex, honestly, their bundle deal is not bad at all. Look into that. Bundle deal is not bad at all. Look, this is a long signal right here, but it's already 4:35, so I don't want to get into this. But that is a nice long signal. Free Discord in the bio. When I'm not live, we like to BS in there. We're getting up there, almost up to 500 people in there. Everything's free. If you want access to my indicators, that's the only thing I charge for is the VIP section for the indicators. Totally up to you. It's a 30-day free trial. After that, it is $30 for the month, $1 a day. I will be on tomorrow morning, and we'll go from there. If I do hop on random times, I'll let you guys know in Discord before I get in. All right, people.
Bully Bears is out. Deuces.